I'm gonna take this apart. I'm gonna show you guys the pieces and then I'll show you how to assemble the machine. There are 5 pieces to the hopper setup here. So we've got the plunger. This is the grinder, all in one, very easy. It's about half the size of the mini grinder. We've got this plate, we've got the hopper, and then we just got the cover that goes over this. First piece that goes on is this bottom plate here. You can see it's got these little notches here and then it just twists in. That's how the whole thing twists off. Next piece that goes on is the top part. Slides into these notches. You can go ahead and bring it down. You got your little plunger. This has a really nice weight to it. I don't know if that is applicable, but it does. Go ahead and just slide that in and bring it down. There it is. So easy. It's got a little notch there for the plunger to sit, and you can just pop, pop, pop. I love the one-handed aspect of this. If you're doing this 100 times a day, it's so easy to have your other hand free, especially for videographers like us who you just need something in your other hand. A lot of this is just one-handed, so easy. It's just so well designed, I love it.